Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up TikTok Live Studio for gaming. First, launch TikTok Live Studio. You will see an empty workspace where we will add all the elements for your stream. Now we need to add your game to the scene. Look at the Sources section on the left side of the screen. Click the plus icon next to Sources. A menu will appear on the screen. From this menu, select Game Capture. After selecting it, click on Add. Before you select your game, make sure the game is already open on your computer. TikTok Live Studio needs the game to be running in order to detect it. Now click on the option that says Select Game. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the game you want to stream. After selecting your game, click on Add Source. Your game will now appear on the screen inside your scene. If you want to change the view from landscape to portrait, you can do this easily. Go to the Scene Layout menu and choose the layout you prefer. Next, we will add your camera if you want to show your face during the stream. Click on the plus icon in the Sources section again. From the menu, choose Camera. You can then configure the camera settings. In my case, I will skip this step because I do not have a connected camera. Now click the plus icon in Sources one more time. You can also add goals from the menu. For example, you can add a follower goal or a gift goal to motivate your viewers. After you finish setting everything up, look at the bottom right corner and click the Go Live button. Your stream will start and your viewers will be able to watch your gameplay. Thanks for watching.